Hello and welcome to our showroom here at Launch Europe in Kerpen. We have a special topic today here. Right behind me there's a BMW I3, that's an electronic car, and we have the X-431 Eurotype 3 diagnostic device here, and we have two service functions, especially for electronic cars, implemented in this device. And my colleague Daniel and I will introduce you to these service functions, and we will show you on a practical example on the car how to use them. Daniel, maybe you can show us these two service functions?
Yes. So there are two new service functions for electric cars. One is a motor angle calibration and one is a diagnosis for the high voltage battery. So let's have a look at these new service functions. So let's have a look. Here we have motor angle calibration and the high voltage battery diagnostics. At first I will show you the motor angle calibration. So at first you must turn the ignition on and connect the SmartLink VCI with the car. So we select our BMW. Now you have to implement the offset number in the Eurotype 3. You can find it on the electric engine of the car. Now you can see it has 6 numbers and you must confirm with OK. So now we confirm the adaptation value with 6 numbers with continue. And it's okay. With the help of the service functions on our Eurotype 3, we have adjusted the rotor position sensor of the electric machine.
Now that we have seen the first service function, let's have a look at the second service function, the diagnosis of the high voltage battery.
Here's the second service function for electric cars. It's the high voltage battery diagnostics. At first we have to select our BMW and we have to turn the ignition on. Here's the menu of the high voltage battery diagnostics. You have 4 options. Let's check the first one. So here you can check the last charging procedures. And you can see if there's a problem with the charging of the battery. With the second function, you can program a single unit in the high voltage battery, and with the third function, you can program a whole new high voltage battery unit. So let's check the second function. Here you can scan the data matrix code of the high voltage battery unit, or you can manually input the 10 digital serial number of the high voltage battery unit. You must do it if you change a single unit in the high voltage battery. So the third function is to change the whole high voltage battery unit. There are a few steps you must proceed if you change it.
So Daniel, thank you for the overview of these 2 service functions special for electric cars. We have now a good impression of what services or what kind of services we can offer with our X-431 Euro Tab 3 and how it can help in the workshop to do a proper service on an electric car. Thank you for watching.